Are you ready? Jamaica, wave your flag. DJ Clay, pop up the volume. Trinidad and Tobago, make some noise. St. Lucia, raise it high. Barbados, let me hear you, Lord. Antigua and Barbuda, wave it side to side. Grenada, shake it like you mean it. St. Vincent and the Grenadines, jump, jump, jump. Guyana, bring that fire. And to every island, tonight we are one rhythm. Wave your rag, wave your flag. Left, right, wine, wine, wine. Are you ready? Shake move your hip to the left, to the left, to the left. Move your hip to the right, to the right, to the right. Now wine, 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 wine.
Music can inspire and touch your heart. Don't keep it to yourself. Help us share beautiful music written with love to the world. Click subscribe now, and when we reach 500 subscribers, we'll release a brand new song to uplift you, make you smile, dance, relax, or sing. This song was written by Charles K. Xavier, and the musical arrangements done by him also. Let's grow the YouTube channel Exceptional Music JIA together. One voice, one heart, amazing music together. So please press the subscribe button below, leave a comment, then share the video with your family and friends. Please ask them to subscribe also. Thank you. God bless you.